How to make passive income with AI. In the modern world of technological advancements, artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a powerful tool that not only transforms industries but also offers opportunities for individuals to generate passive income. The intersection of AI and passive income has opened doors to innovative ventures, enabling individuals to leverage the capabilities of AI algorithms and systems to generate revenue streams with minimal ongoing effort. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or simply someone interested in exploring new ways to earn income, understanding how to make passive income with AI can provide you with a lucrative path forward. Understanding passive income. Before delving into the intricate realm of AI-driven passive income, it's essential to grasp the concept of passive income itself. Traditional forms of income often involve trading time and effort for monetary compensation, creating a linear correlation between work and earnings. Passive income, on the other hand, transcends this paradigm by allowing individuals to earn money with reduced active involvement once the initial groundwork is laid. This concept aligns harmoniously with AI's potential to automate processes, analyze data, and make informed decisions independently. Exploring the AI-powered avenues for passive income. Automated trading bots. Automated trading bots stand as a paradigm shift in the world of finance and income generation. These bots, driven by the capabilities of artificial intelligence, have the potential to redefine how individuals approach investment and trading. At the core of this concept lies the utilization of sophisticated algorithms that are designed to analyze market data, historical trends, and real-time indicators to make informed trading decisions autonomously. Content creation and marketing. In the age of digital media and information dissemination, content creation and marketing have evolved from conventional practices to a dynamic landscape shaped by the integration of artificial intelligence. The emergence of AI-powered content creation tools has unlocked the potential to generate written, visual, and even auditory content autonomously. This evolution transcends the realm of novelty. It opens doors for individuals to establish online platforms, attract audiences, and generate passive income through carefully curated content strategies. Chatbots and customer service. The landscape of customer service has undergone a seismic transformation with the introduction of AI-powered chatbots. These virtual agents, fueled by artificial intelligence, have redefined the way businesses engage with their customers, streamlining interactions and offering a glimpse into the future of customer support. The synergy between AI and customer service extends beyond mere automation. It paves the way for individuals to create passive income streams by providing businesses with advanced chatbot solutions. Data analysis and insights. In the era of big data, the demand for actionable insights has become paramount for businesses seeking to make informed decisions. This demand has paved the way for a unique avenue of generating passive income, providing data analysis and insights as a service, powered by artificial intelligence. Imagine a scenario where you harness the analytical capabilities of AI to create platforms or services that offer businesses comprehensive insights into market trends, consumer behavior, and industry dynamics. Robo-advisors and investment platforms. The landscape of investment and wealth management has been significantly disrupted by the emergence of robo-advisors powered by artificial intelligence. These platforms offer individuals an automated and algorithm-driven approach to managing investment portfolios, presenting an intriguing avenue for generating passive income through technology-driven financial strategies. Envision a scenario where you establish a robo-advisory platform that caters to individuals seeking to invest their assets strategically. Content recommendation engines. In an era inundated with digital content, the role of AI-driven content recommendation engines has become pivotal in enhancing user experiences and driving engagement on digital platforms. These engines analyze user behavior, preferences, and patterns to deliver personalized content suggestions, revolutionizing how individuals discover information, entertainment, and products. Imagine a scenario where you develop a niche platform that employs AI-driven content recommendation engines. This platform caters to specific interests, curating and presenting content that aligns with users' preferences. Navigating the path to passive income with AI. Initial investment. The concept of generating passive income through AI is undoubtedly promising, but it's essential to understand the concept of an initial investment. This investment encompasses both financial resources and time, which are pivotal for establishing a solid foundation for your AI-driven income streams. Financially, you need to allocate resources for technological infrastructure, software development, data acquisition, and potentially hiring experts in the field of AI. This initial financial commitment is a critical step that lays the groundwork for the success of your AI-driven venture. Competition and uniqueness. In the realm of generating passive income through AI, understanding the landscape of competition and the importance of uniqueness is pivotal. As AI technology becomes increasingly accessible, more individuals and businesses are exploring AI-driven solutions, leading to a surge in competition within various niches. To thrive in this competitive environment, you need to identify what sets your AI-powered venture apart. This involves pinpointing your unique value proposition, the innovative features that distinguish your offering, and the problems your solution solves for your target audience. Regulatory and ethical considerations. As you venture into the world of generating passive income with AI, it's paramount to navigate the regulatory and ethical considerations that come with deploying AI-powered solutions. Depending on the nature of your AI application, you may encounter legal and regulatory frameworks that govern data privacy, security, intellectual property, and more. Ensuring compliance with these regulations is not only a legal obligation but also a crucial element of maintaining trust with your customers. Implementing robust data protection measures, obtaining necessary permissions, and being transparent about how user data is utilized are essential steps to navigate the regulatory landscape. Continuous learning and adaptation. In the rapidly evolving landscape of AI and technology, the notion of continuous learning and adaptation is central to success. AI technology is dynamic, with new advancements, algorithms, and tools being developed regularly. To remain competitive and relevant, you must commit to ongoing learning and adaptation. Staying updated with the latest AI trends, breakthroughs, and best practices is essential to maintain the effectiveness of your AI-powered solutions. Continuous education might involve enrolling in AI courses, attending workshops, participating in webinars, and engaging with AI communities. Embracing the future of passive income. The convergence of AI and passive income offers an exciting frontier for individuals seeking financial diversification and exploring novel avenues for income generation. By harnessing AI's capabilities for automated trading, content creation, customer service, data analysis, robo-advisory services, and content recommendations, you can establish income streams that require less active involvement compared to traditional approaches. However, success in this realm requires a strategic mindset, ongoing learning, adaptability, and a commitment to delivering genuine value in the ever-evolving landscape of AI-driven opportunities. As AI continues to shape the future, embracing its potential not only presents the potential for financial gains but also grants a profound understanding of how innovation can reshape income generation paradigms. By tapping into the synergy between AI and passive income, you can embark on a journey of exploration and empowerment, where the boundaries of traditional income streams are transcended, and the possibilities for financial success are reimagined. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.